If you want to get a dynamic wallpaper on Xiaomi 15T or 15T Pro, then first of all we can go to settings. Over here in settings, if you scroll down a little bit, you should be able to find personalization option. And in here we have actually a couple of ways that we can utilize in order to get a dynamic wallpaper. Now the first one that I want to show you is this super wallpapers option, where we have a couple of different wallpapers that we can use. I actually downloaded this one, and while it is not really a live wallpaper that is animated and it is visible on the home screen, let's say, but if we actually swipe between these options, so you can see we can take a look at how our phone will look like when we have AOD enabled. Then we have this animation into the lock screen, and when we unlock the phone, then we have this animation into the home screen. So if you wish to have these animations, then of course we can apply this kind of super wallpaper. Now if you're looking for something more lively on the home screen, if you wish to have an animation on the home screen, then we can try to use, for example, AI Dynamic Wallpaper. And in here we have some AI generated content, so we can see how it looks like. And as you can see, it is animated all the time, it is moving all the time. And you can actually also use your own image and to generate the AI dynamic movement. So for example, I'm going to use this photo over here. And once it is analyzed, I can also adjust the photo a little bit. I'm going to actually try to zoom in slightly maybe as well. Maybe zoom out actually. And now we're going to tap on the generate, and we need to wait a couple of seconds, maybe up to a minute or so, in order to let the AI generate that movement. So let's wait for that. And there we go. Now it is done. We have a little animation going on, which is just subtle. Nothing much is going on over here. But of course, in your case, if you have an image that maybe there is something more into that image, maybe the AI will figure out and create something better. So you can press on apply in the upper right corner, and we can set it to the lock screen, home screen, or both. I'm just gonna set it to the home screen only. And there we go, we have a little animated wallpaper. Keep in mind that we can also find a bunch of different apps in the Play Store, third-party apps that allow you to get an animated wallpaper and use it on this phone. So you can try that instead if you are not satisfied with these AI dynamic wallpapers, for example. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.